Do you ever feel like your money just disappears and you have no idea where it went? Most people budget by looking at what's left over after spending. That's the old way. Zero-based budgeting flips that completely. It starts fresh, every single month. The idea is simple. Give every dollar a job before the month begins. Income minus expenses equals zero. That's the golden rule of zero-based budgeting. Don't worry, zero doesn't mean broke. It means every dollar has a purpose. Step 1. Write down your total monthly income, everything coming in. Include your salary, side hustle, freelance work, or any other source of money. If your income varies month to month, use your lowest recent paycheck as your estimate. Step 2. List every expense you expect this month, every single one. Start with your fixed expenses: rent, car payment, insurance, subscriptions, the ones that don't change. Then add your variable expenses: groceries, gas, utilities, and anything that shifts each month. Don't forget the fun stuff: dining out, hobbies, entertainment. These matter too. Now, add a category for savings. Savings is not optional. It's an expense line, just like rent. Build in an emergency fund contribution too. Even $20 a month adds up over time. Now, subtract all your expenses from your income. If it's not zero, you need to adjust. If you have money left over, assign it somewhere: savings, debt payoff, or a goal fund. If you're over budget, look at where you can trim, cut back on wants before needs. One popular method is the envelope system. You allocate cash or digital funds into separate categories. You can also use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet. Whatever works best for you. The key habit: do your budget before the month starts, not after it ends. Think ahead. Are there birthdays, car checkups, or trips coming up? Budget for them now. These irregular expenses are the ones that surprise people most. Planning kills the surprise. Throughout the month, track your spending. Log every purchase as it happens. As you spend, watch your category totals fill up. When a category hits zero, stop spending there. This is where zero-based budgeting builds real awareness. You feel your spending in real time. If something unexpected comes up, you can move money between categories. Just keep the total at zero. Life happens. Zero-based budgeting lets you adapt without panic. Just shuffle your plan. At the end of the month, do a quick review. What worked? What didn't? What will you change? Each month you'll get better. The first budget is never perfect, and that's completely fine. Zero-based budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about intention, telling your money where to go. Many people use it to crush debt faster because they stop accidentally spending what they meant to save. Others use it to finally build savings because savings is now a line item, not an afterthought. Whatever your goal, a house, a trip, a degree, zero-based budgeting gives it a real place in your life. If you share finances with a partner, do the budget together. Both people need to be on board. Budget meetings don't have to be stressful. Make them short, regular, and blame-free. The first month is the hardest. The third month starts to feel natural. By month 6, it's a habit. Habits take time. Be patient with yourself. Progress matters more than perfection. People who budget consistently report less financial stress, not because they earn more, but because they know where their money goes. Knowing is power. Uncertainty is what causes anxiety around money, not the amount itself. Let's recap. Know your income. List your expenses. Make them equal zero. Track all month. Review and repeat. That's it. 5 steps. One powerful system. The rest is just showing up. You don't need a big income to start. You just need to start, right now, with whatever you have. Zero-based budgeting works because it forces honesty. You can't ignore a line item when every dollar is assigned. Take control of your money before it takes control of you. Start your zero-based budget today. Your future self will thank you.